Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title of today's video is how to use the YouTube About page as a content creator. Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. If you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, how to use the YouTube About page as a content creator. Okay, here we are on my channel. I'm approaching 8,000 subscribers. At the top navigation, you can see home, videos. Click through, you'll see my videos. Playlist, you'll see videos listed by playlist. Community, you'll see posts I make about latest videos. Channels, those are channels that I recommend. And then the About page, and that's what we're going to talk about today, the About page. Let's click through and I'll show you. Okay, so here at the top there's a description, and this is very important because when people search for your channel, your name, they will find these couple of sentences will be viewable. So it's important that you think carefully about the sentences, top couple of sentences in your description. So mine is content marketing and social media advice for B2B business people from Pitt. Yeah, so welcome. I help B2B business leaders with content strategy, content creation, and social media management, UK and international. So that's very clear what I do and how I can help people, and also who I'm trying to help. So within a couple of sentences, I've been very clear about the focus of my channel, what sort of content you'll have on the channel. You can always also see that on the banner here. So content marketing, business and life. Just see that. And then I'll read you the rest of the description. This channel is for you if you want to know the latest strategies to boost your engagement and lead generation for your business on LinkedIn, YouTube and Twitter. I make videos that offer a fresh perspective and actionable tips that you can implement straight away to benefit your B2B business. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to ensure you don't miss any uploads. New videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. Thank you for subscribing and turning on notifications. So you can see I've used this description to be very clear about what sort of videos I'm making. I'm not making prank style videos, I'm not making comedy videos, I'm not a music channel, so people know straight away if that's what they're looking for. They know that they've reached the right channel. So that's the first thing to do. You need to do the same, take the same kind of approach and be very deliberate and intentional with your words in creating a description that explains what you have, what sort of content you have on your channel. You can also do this on my homepage. I've also got a video, it's a channel trailer. It is a visual version of what I've just said. And then the written equivalent is the About page. Let's go here. What some people forget is to use the opportunity to include your links. So I own a business. My YouTube is not my only business. YouTube is used to promote my business. So I'm obviously going to want to include links to my business. I've done that in the sort of best practice way by including, so you can see at the top of here, a free LinkedIn content marketing checklist. And you can see here in the banner, free LinkedIn content marketing checklist. When people click on that, they go through to my website, and I've just clicked, it doesn't demonstrate that. They go through to marketingfundamentals.com and they can then enter their details and get a free checklist. It's important to say, and I should clarify, that using this device here, to click through to free LinkedIn content marketing checklist, as I just mentioned, using that device to send people to my website, that's called a lead magnet. If you want me to talk about lead magnets in more detail, mention it in the comments and I will make a separate video about lead magnets. But that draws people from YouTube to my company website. After you've got your company links established, it's very important then to go onto your social links. Social links are from other social media platforms. So people are on, your viewers are already on YouTube, of course. So here's my LinkedIn. You click here, you'll go through to my LinkedIn profile. I'll just click through there and there's a LinkedIn profile. You need to sign into LinkedIn to view that profile. But there's once you've signed in, there's a direct link to my profile. People can connect with me there. Let's close that one. Twitter, the same. So here's Twitter. You can see my profile without signing in. There's my Twitter profile, so people can click there and follow me. Instagram, the same. And then Africa Means Business LinkedIn. That's a specific group I run, generating more business on the continent of Africa and with the African diaspora reaching back to the continent of Africa. And if you click through on there and you've signed in to LinkedIn, you'll be able to view the group. And obviously, if you're interested in joining, that's something that you can do via clicking on the group, requesting to join. I'm the administrator and the creator of that group, so that's something that you can do as well. Udemy, I have some courses on Udemy relating to Twitter, social media management. I'll click through here. When I click through here, you can see that this is my page on Udemy. So my courses are currently public. Twitter, turbocharge your Twitter presence, social media management with me, Edgar, Quora for business. So those are 3 courses, and I have over 4,500 students on Udemy. So you can see all of that when you click through from my about page. Learn Money is my secondary website, if you like. It's relating to personal finance. Click through to here and you'll see the Learn Money site. In there I write about my path to financial freedom. Not completed that yet, but that's something, a journey that I'm on, and there's lots of blog posts there relating to investing, saving, earning more money, side hustles, that kind of thing. So that's also somewhere you can get to from my about page. Just a couple more now. Amazon, this is an affiliate link to Amazon. So I'm part of the Amazon influencer program, and I have here a camera that I recommend. So people click through there and they can view the camera that I recommend. I'll leave that for you to follow up if you're interested. Click through there. And then if people want to donate to my channel so that I can continue the work, that's very nice. And I do leave that option for people to do that, because lots of times people tell me how much value they get from my videos, and yet I understand that they're not in a position to become a client of my business. So if they want to donate because I've saved them some money or I've helped them, then that's the option to do so. So those are all of the links that I have on my about page. And you can see I've made my about page work very hard. So here's all of the information about what kind of content's on the channel. And then if you're interested in other aspects of my business, you can see that and click through the links and explore at your leisure. I don't put links here because if you put links in the description, they're not clickable. Much better to put the links here so it's just one click for anybody who's viewing your about page to go through and explore all those different aspects of your business. I'm absolutely amazed at the amount of successful YouTubers and small YouTubers, which is more understandable as small YouTubers, who do not maximize the opportunities on their about page. They just forget about it. They do not put their merch there. They don't put their podcasts there. They don't put their other social links there. So I don't know why people haven't done that or aren't using that opportunity. It's very easy to do. You just need to signed in as a content creator and then customize your channel, and you'll get a little pencil mark which will tell you can edit. Maybe I should show you that. Customize your channel. So now you've got an opportunity. Once you've clicked on customize your channel, you've got an opportunity to change your description and add in different links. So there's all those links I've just discussed, and the first 5 links are visually represented on the banner, the others are not. So if you're a content creator, you have a YouTube channel, you must use your about page properly. I've given you lots of clues how I use it and demonstrated the links, where they take you and the relevance of those. So if you're not doing that already, make sure you take action and put your links in so that you're supporting your business and not losing possible traffic from YouTube to your business pages and your other social pages and any products that you sell. Hope this video has been useful to you. Thank you very much for watching all the way through. If you've liked this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. If you've not subscribed already, thanks for watching. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye bye.